Responsive fonts. As text plays a big role in websites, you want to make sure that it looks great for everyone, no matter what device they use. And it gets tricky as there are so many screen sizes to worry about. Let's first take a look at some examples of unresponsive fonts to understand why it matters. Some developers use desktop-first approach when building websites, while others use mobile-first. But sometimes when working with desktop-first approach, the text size is often ignored because they look normal on computers. But when you open it on your phone, it looks like this. I will show you 3 methods of solving this issue. I divided them into 3 levels: easy, medium, and hardcore. Let's start with the easy one, changing fonts based on viewport. It's not actually easy and can get tricky if you are new to media queries. Basically, we first declare our variables in CSS because we can use them later in our code. Next, let's name our variables and set values. And yes, rem is better than pixel. You can read it here. Okay, we finished with our base font sizes. Let's see how it looks. Let me set it up real quick. Okay, as you can see, it's not responsive yet. I want the text size to change when it reaches a certain viewport. Let's say 600 pixel. Past that value, text looks too big on phones. Thus, we use media query to change the values of our variables we set up earlier. For this time, we want the values to be smaller than original because we are working on mobile device. As you can see, it rather snaps to different value and doesn't flow smoothly because we set it up that way. You can use it as a foundation for your projects so they don't end up looking like this. Now the second level is to let Utopia or other type scale calculators to generate the best responsive font sizes for you. This one is easy but might be difficult to comprehend at first. Visit the Utopia website and here we first set the minimum and maximum font size for our base font like paragraph. And we have to set the type scale ratio. The calculator generates the font sizes based on these values. As you can see, it uses clamp to generate responsive font sizes. Just copy the values and paste them into your CSS. Change the names of variables and you are good to go. And last one is to go hardcore and write your own type scale calculator. Also, I usually use Utopia for most of my projects to do the calculation for me. But here's how I would implement it without these tools. I use SAS here to automate the process. I will provide the link to the code in the description. It's not the cleanest code in the world. If you have your own approach, please let me know in the comment. And there you have it. Hope you learned something new. Let me know which approach you are going with. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.